Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a delicious winter salad. Now, the thing that I love about winter salads, it might seem a little counterintuitive, but citrus is really in season during that time. So even though it's really bright and sunny, winter is when you get all that great citrus. And we're gonna make a delicious homemade citrus vinaigrette with this tasty cucumber and radish salad that has tangerines. It's just simple, easy, fresh, clean eating, and I think you're gonna like it. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna add some white balsamic vinegar to the salad bowl. I'm gonna make everything in the salad bowl first and then just toss it with the ingredients. Now I'm using a white balsamic, it's a little cleaner, but if you have balsamic vinegar, you don't have to run out and buy white balsamic, that will also work. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I'm gonna add in some avocado oil. Once again, if you don't have avocado oil, olive oil will also work, or grapeseed oil, just a really nice, light, bright oil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of grapefruit juice, some orange juice, and just a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper it to taste. Some cracked black pepper. And then I'm gonna just whisk it together. This is one of my favorite whisks because it's flat. I do like the shape of the traditional whisk from that standpoint, but this is really effective when you're using things that you just need to scrape the bottom of it. So I'm just gonna give that a taste and see if it needs anything else. Good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in some cucumbers. These are just really thinly sliced. I'm just using regular old slicing cucumbers. Now I did these in a food processor, but you could use a mandolin to get them really like kind of paper thin. Have some sliced radishes. And now some sliced tangerines. Okay, so go ahead and toss that now with the dressing. Get it all nice and evenly coated. Now the thing about this recipe, if you wanted to make it ahead, you could prep all the radishes, you could prep the tangerines, but I would wait on the cucumbers because they tend to release the water that's in them as soon as you slice them. And also you want to make sure that you eat it fairly quickly after you do make the salad for that same reason, because it will water down the flavor a little bit just from being with the cucumbers. Now I'm going to top it off with some pomegranate seeds, a little bit more freshly cracked black pepper, and just a little bit more salt. So there you have it, a bright, easy, delicious winter salad. If you like salads or like getting your salad tossed, whatever, give this video a thumbs up. If it's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. And hey, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe, especially if you like to cook like I do. Let's give this a taste here. I'll see you guys next time. It's wonderful, delicious, and I need a fork to taste it with. Give me a fork. Maybe? Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. The forks are so far away.